Hey there, in today's video, let's talk about something super cool. Do you know how you eat at a restaurant? The kitchen chef makes food, the servers bring it to the table, and everyone works together to make sure you're happy, right? Computers also need something like a restaurant to keep them work together. That's where Kubernetes comes in.
You're not a chef.
Imagine a big busy restaurant. It has lots of tables for customers. The chefs in the kitchen make all the food for the customers. But there's a problem. If the restaurant gets really busy, the chef might need help to cook more food. If a chef burns a dish, it needs to be replaced quickly. Sometimes new customers arrive and we need more tables. So, who helps the restaurant stay organized? That's the manager. Kubernetes is like the restaurant manager for computers. It makes sure the food gets to the customers on time, no matter how busy it gets. So how does the Kubernetes work? Kubernetes works like a restaurant manager with special helpers. The chefs, which are actually the nodes, they are the computers that do the actual work like cooking. The orders are the pods. Every customer order is a task like making a burger or pizza. Each pod has all the ingredients needed to complete the order. The manager, master node. The manager decides which chef gets which order, check if the food is ready, and ensures the kitchen doesn't run out of ingredients.
Guys, look, I know how we can settle this. A cook-off.
Here's an example. If one chef is too slow or messes up an order, Kubernetes quickly sends the task to another chef. If more customers arrive, Kubernetes hires extra chefs or opens more tables to keep everyone happy. If something runs out, Kubernetes restocks it automatically. Everything works smoothly because Kubernetes is always watching and managing.
I hunt it, you cook it.
Okay, now here's what Kubernetes really does. Kubernetes is a system that helps computers manage apps just like the restaurant manager helps run the restaurant. It makes sure apps like games, websites, or videos run without problems, fixes things automatically when something breaks, adds more resources when more people start using the app. So Kubernetes is like a super smart boss that keeps computers and apps organized, fast, and ready to help people at all the times.
Goodbye.
So this is the actual definition of Kubernetes. Kubernetes is an open source container orchestration platform that automates many of the manual processes involving in deploying, managing, and scaling containerized applications. So what is container orchestration? Container orchestration is the process of automating the management of containerized applications, including deployment, scaling, provisioning, securing, integration, networking, and lifecycle management. Kubernetes automates the configuration of your application and maintains and tracks resource allocation. If you enjoyed watching this video and interested in these type of curious contents, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel as it would really mean a lot. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.